In this AutoPromptKit review, I'm going to be showing you a system that's going to give you the exact prompts that you need to put into ChatGPT in order to get custom marketing material for your business that you can use for yourself or even sell. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out AutoPromptKit, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, unlock the full potential of ChatGPT for your business with just a few clicks. Discover the new secret weapon for enhancing your ChatGPT experience. Revolutionize your business strategies and profits with ChatGPT's hidden powers. And then it says, watch the video below. So with this, what this is going to do is going to teach you exactly what you need to do to put into ChatGPT to get the results that you need for your business. It gets you custom crafted content prompts so that you have the content that's created in your voice. This doesn't help you if you get some boring marketing email or boring marketing content that really has nothing to do with you. Like, anyone can create a generic piece of material. What this does is it creates it like it's actually from your business and makes it so that it's going to save you a ton of time and save you money in the process for a very low one-time price for this. So I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, etc.
Welcome to the future of AI-driven business success. Discover AutoPromptKit. Ever wondered why some businesses just get it with AI while others seem to be playing catch-up? Picture this. You're at the helm of your business, navigating through the choppy waters of modern marketing. You know there's a treasure trove of potential with AI, but it feels like you're missing a secret map. That's where AutoPromptKit sails in. Not just as a tool, but as your AI compass, leading you to uncharted territories of business success. Imagine you're sitting at your desk, staring at a blank screen, wondering how to make your next marketing campaign resonate with your audience. You're not alone. This is the story of countless entrepreneurs in the digital age, struggling to find that perfect alignment between their brand's voice and the ever-evolving demands of the market. This is where AutoPromptKit steps in, turning your struggles into strides. The challenge is clear. How do you leverage AI, specifically ChatGPT, to not just communicate but captivate? Enter AutoPromptKit. It's not just another tool in your arsenal. It's your secret weapon. With its precision-engineered prompts, tailored to your brand's unique narrative, AutoPromptKit transforms every ChatGPT interaction from mere conversations to impactful conversions. Custom-crafted content. Imagine content that doesn't just speak to your audience, but sings to them in your brand's voice. Market-specific mastery. Think of a tool so finely tuned that it resonates with your specific market segment, setting you miles apart from the competition. Trend awareness. Stay ahead with prompts that are not just current but cutting-edge, reflecting trends and consumer behaviors in real time. Creativity unleashed. Bid farewell to writer's block. Our prompts are like a muse for your marketing, igniting innovative ideas and distinctive content. Emotional connection. Each prompt is a bridge to your customer's heart, building deeper, more meaningful relationships with your brand. Cross-platform engagement. From blog posts to tweets, our prompts amplify your presence across all digital platforms, enhancing your virtual footprint. Continuous improvement. Evolution is key. Our system thrives on feedback, adapting and refining to keep your audience perpetually engaged. Email campaigns revolutionized. Watch your email metrics soar as our personalized prompts resonate directly with your subscribers' needs and interests. But there's more. AutoPromptKit is a trove of time-saving templates, profit-boosting strategies, and insights from seasoned entrepreneurs. It's a toolkit designed not just for today, but for the future of your business. You also get the Prompt Improver system. Our continuous evolution system ensures that your content strategy always stays ahead, adapting and refining with your growing business needs. You get cross-industry versatility. Whether you're in tech, healthcare, or retail, AutoPromptKit speaks your language, resonating with any industry. And we cover user-generated content. Amplify your reach with prompts that inspire your audience to share their stories, adding authenticity to your brand narrative. So what's next? 2 paths lie before you. And you can click the buy button below this video. If you're ready to leap into the future of AI-driven business success, take action now. AutoPromptKit is more than a purchase. It's an investment in your business's future. Or two, if you need more information, scroll down. Dive deeper into the world of AutoPromptKit. Discover how it's not just meeting, but exceeding the content creation needs of businesses like yours. You're at a crossroads. One path leads to the same old, the mundane, the safe. A world where AI is just a buzzword. The other, a path less traveled, where AI is your ally, your tool, your voice. This is the path where AutoPromptKit awaits, ready to redefine the curve in your industry, transforming queries into engagement, engagement into sales, and sales into unprecedented growth. Your journey to becoming an AI communication powerhouse begins now. The question isn't if you're ready, but when. And the answer, it should be now. Because in the world of business, timing isn't just everything. It's the only thing. Make your move. Let AutoPromptKit be the compass guiding your business towards uncharted success. The future isn't just coming. It's here, and it starts with AutoPromptKit. Don't just chase trends, set them. Don't just dream of success, achieve it. AutoPromptKit is your key to unlocking the full potential of AI in your business narrative. The next chapter of your business story is waiting to be written, and it starts with a simple click or a scroll. Seize this moment. Propel your business forward. With AutoPromptKit, the future of AI-driven business communication isn't just within reach, it's already here.
Okay, so we are back. So this is the backend area you have access to after you purchase. They walk you through the entire process here, showing you exactly how to get all this going, giving you all your different prompts, and making sure that you know exactly how to use ChatGPT for your business. There are multiple upgrades. First one is the Local Boost Prompt Pro Kit, so that you can use this for local marketing and potentially be able to profit from that. This one's just $47. The next one is a 10-week live coaching workshop, where they're going to actually be teaching you how to go through this entire process and give you even more in-depth material. This one's $97 one time. The next one here is if you don't want subscription fees, they say you can get this one-time upgrade, and you're going to be able to get access to all these different things here. This is the Neura Rephraser, which helps you to actually create this content. This one is $67. And then they've got another one here, which is another blueprint here as well. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about AutoPromptKit and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, if you're expecting to get some fancy software, this isn't for you. These are templates. This is training, so just be aware. What do I like about AutoPromptKit? If you have been trying to use ChatGPT, but just haven't been able to kind of figure out how to do it, this might be something that can help you. If that's you, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my AutoPromptKit review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.